So I'm just about to make some quick breakfast. I'm just scrambling some eggs and then making some Indomie noodles, and I'm gonna put it in the pot together, mix it together. I'm actually just waiting for my sister's boyfriend to come because he said he's gonna take us both out. I think it's called some rooftop place in Stratford. So I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna go and see what this rooftop place is all about. Say hi for the camera, guys. Say hi for the camera, guys. I would have asked her where she got it from. No, she's already. Some Burger King. I'm vlogging, yes. Oh yeah, he's from the seat. Okay, boo. Can I see how I look like in the video? In a minute. What thing? The barbecue melt. I think it's called barbecue. Yeah, but no cheese. I'm gonna wait. Let me see. Turn around. Let me see then. Wait. It's working. He's just chatting. I know he's just talking. He's not gonna take our order. I know he's not. Don't have to take our order. But how are we gonna pay? You can pay at the machine, but I don't want to pay at the machine. I wanted to use this till because I want to say no cheese and all that. But you can say that on there. But I still want to use. You're lucky you're still buying from here, and this guy wouldn't let me bother buying. No. Are you the manager? Are you the manager? Where's the who's the supervisor? Who's the supervisor? Who is the supervisor? Who is the supervisor? Who's the supervisor? There's a supervisor. There is. I don't care. No, I don't care. Well, who's the supervisor? Sorry, I'm not in the queue. He's so short as well. 97. He just got short man energy. 77. I want to put it here. Short man energy. No, he just be funny because he can. So what you just seen in the previous clip was basically the guy at the till didn't want to serve us at the till. He's telling us to go and use the machine, but we didn't want to use the machine. So he tried and lie and said that the card reader wasn't working. So yeah, that's where the argument started to happen. It tastes so good. Enjoying it, Annie? Yep. What, rooftop? Are we gonna fit in this? Get the Benzies. I'm gonna go close up, guys. Hey! The couple of the year. They're like. Okay, I don't drink, so I won't be getting any of that. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention, guys, that this place actually has a cinema, like an outdoor cinema. I didn't manage to capture it, unfortunately. Oh, they got games as well. Oh yeah, they got. Oh, we're gonna play that. Yeah. Wait, someone's sitting here. I forgot what it's called. Oh, should we have one? What? Should we sit here for a second? Yes, there's no one sitting here. Should we play this game? Let's play escape game. Yeah, we could do that game. Yeah. Oh, Oh, you want to try this still? You know already? Yeah. Can I take my time? I'm coming to the game. Okay. I'm going to be the game. I'm scared. What a cheater. You can't do that. You're not allowed. You're not allowed to keep this up. Don't shake the table already. What's that out? If it drops here, let me move out the way. But the table's moving. Okay, don't move. No. I know. No, don't shake it. Stop. Don't help with the I don't know. Ooh, OMG. I didn't make it. Why did you think of that? Let's see. Oh, I didn't even see you take it out. Thank you, Jesus, for not failing me. Hallelujah. Can we straighten it? No. I'll touch it up. I can't touch it up. Nobody moves when it's your mom because if you move. What am I going to do now? This is looking real dodgy right now. Okay, the window's trying to fade though. Oh no. Oh my goodness. This is really going to be a... I'm going to take this one off. Yeah, I'll take this one off. That's what you're going to do. Can I this next time? Yeah. Oh my god! Basically, lose a bag for next drink. Okay. Okay, deal. Lose a bag next, whatever you guys want. So lose a bag drink. So the next round is going to be if don't try, you probably pay for magic. That doesn't count. You can't take that. Don't take the top. Don't even try it. You can't take from the top. You're not allowed to touch another one to pay one out. You're going to touch the one that you take it. Wait, this is the ones I'm going to... No one really wants to shake it. Wait, you're paying for his turn? Whoa, skilled. Next technique. Oh, it's hard. Let me take that quick. I just need to stop now. I don't want to hear about nothing. And I missed it. I forgot to record her. How did that happen? The wind. Oh my god. No, it was you. It was you.
So I forgot to record the ending. So my sister actually let all the blocks drop.
You know. What the hell? I'm professional as well.
Oh, we have to watch your screen. Sorry. Huh? We have to watch what you're doing.
Oh no. Yeah, just for yourself, innit?
Oh, okay.
I'm not gonna be in.
Oh, okay. Babe, come.
So yeah, you got 4 levels. So
okay, so we can go up and down for levels. Okay,
yeah, so 12 balls are gonna come. Then you'll stop. You can switch over.
Okay.
And yeah, that's cool. Get ready.
Oh, okay.
Your body's here.
That is so rubbish. So we count it ourselves.
Creativity.
Let's just come in over. Oi! That's one. Oh! miss, girl. Oh, well done. You got that. Three.
So at this place there's like different little games you could play. So you could play this outdoor baseball thing. You had mini golf. They had that block game. They had like archery. They had like a few different things you could do, which was fun. If you want to do like have a little get together with your girls, have a chit chat, which I really did find this quite fun to interact.
This one
with.
looks
It's my
fun.
first time meeting my sister's boyfriend, so it's nice to have little chit chats, play games, and enjoy it.
This looks fun. Shall we play this? Yeah, get in the hole. Are you ready? You go first. Girl! Okay. Come on, girl.
You need to work on your throws.
Make it happen. That is 10 points! 10 points! That's 10 points.
You actually got in.
Yeah, I did. Say sorry, babe.
I can't believe it. You missed that. That was a fluke.
What? Where's my money? Where's my money? We have to pay for it. Come on. Oh, you're lucky cow. Oh no, that's in! Move the back, girl. Move it.
Pick up the cameraman. Pick up the cameraman.
staff here are ghetto.
So we decided what we wanted to play the outdoor baseball. So I think it came up to £26. So you get half an hour to play.
Don't worry about me, sweetheart. Oh shoot! I'm getting an electric shock. Oh.
So afterwards, we decided to go grab something to eat. I think this restaurant was called Nika or something. I don't remember what this restaurant was called, but I can't even pronounce it. But yeah, we went to have some Turkish food. They sell Turkish food. It's called Lokma. That's it, Lokma. So we just decided to share a platter. The platter was like £59. Get different kind of meat with rice, and it was delicious.